I'm about to unpack it. All I've done is taken off the cellophane because that was actually really difficult when you haven't got a knife or scissors. I'm supposed to be getting my hair cut, but I'm a little bit excited and I really wanted to see this. So here is the DJ Mini 3 as it comes out of the box. You're gonna see it for the first time with me. I'm too excited. Let's go. So I've got it at angle the GoPro here because I'm still in a hotel room and it is not exactly the perfect setup. So the customer guy gave me one of these Extreme Pro SD card, 64 gig. That'll allow me to get a bit of footage straight off the bat, but I got a couple of spare for the GoPro anyways. But here she is, you ready? If anybody's got a good name to have for this one, let me know. Moment of truth. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's go. That's it. There she is, boys and girls. We've got the Mini R3. Oopsie daisy. Oh gosh, I've already done something on. Some cables in there, which we'll come to shortly. But this is the stuff you really want to see, isn't it? It's not all the cables in the works, it's the good stuff. Boom. So that is the Mini. Straight out of the box, as it is. Battery's already inserted. On the back there's a USB charge in the SD slot, so I can charge it directly in the wall. There's a gimbal camera in there. This case pops off. I'll do that maybe when I've got two hands. Sensors, so it doesn't crash into anything. The great thing about this is that the camera, although currently it has a protective cover on it, on the inside of this plastic case, the camera can change from vertical to horizontal, so I can capture some stuff for Instagram and whatnot. So let me take these blades out and I'll show you what the thing looks like. I like these holders, that'll be useful for later, I'll keep that. That's it. This drone literally is smaller than the palm of my hand and I don't have big hands. That's it. It's so light. It's so light. It's 249 grams, so it's below the requirement of like registering your drone. Battery. Oh my god, it's so light. So this is the RC controller. It's one up from the standard controller that you get. This allows me. It's upside down. So this will provide a video feed to this screen right here. So they claim it's up to 12 kilometers, but it's been tested that it's definitely 6 kilometers with video feed when there's very little interference. So hopefully when I go to northern Vietnam, I'll be able to fly this around some of the fields and some of the lakes and not have any problems. I've seen other footage where the drone is taken out in a snowstorm and then they take it 40 foot into the air. Video feed, perfect. Drone, completely stabilized. So I'm really looking forward to playing with this one. The last little bits. We have inside the box, we have an extra pair of blades because it's inevitable that I'm going to crash it. A screwdriver to replace said blades and a charging cable, which is USB port C. Quick start, warranties, take cares, all the stuff that nobody actually reads. The only thing that I appear to be missing, because I haven't located it yet, are these. And there they are. Look at that, tucked away in the back. They pop out and they'll be my thumbsticks for when I fly. I'm not a technical expert, I'm not an unpacking expert. This is the first time I've ever shared this with anybody, and that's only because I'm actually really excited to get this bad boy in the air. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. Shout out to the DJI shop in Hanoi, northern Vietnam, and to the customer service guy, Jean. Apologies if I'm saying that wrong, I'm really bad with names. Really looking forward to getting this up in the air. Even though I'm a complete rookie pilot, I have a drone already. It's a Holystone. It was quite expensive when I bought it, but it's not very good. The video quality is really bad. The stabilization is really bad. The GPS locator is really bad. For what it is, I would not recommend it unless you're a complete rookie and you're willing to spend money to crash your drone on your learning curve. Otherwise, let's kind of nervous, kind of excited, kind of want to go play on it right now, but I think I'm gonna wait a couple of days, and when I get some footage, I'll try to share it with you. So yeah, see you in the next one. Hopefully the next one is a drone one. Ciao.